Steps to find the proper bath seat height. Bath seat height is the most important adjustment you can make. A bath seat that is too low can cause lower back pain, but one that is too high can cause instability. Having a bath seat properly adjusted to support the body's best posture provides comfort and stability. Stand in front of the bath seat. Adjust the legs so that the top of the seat is at a spot just below your kneecap. Step 1. Determine which adjustment hole will provide the proper seat height. The seat height adjustment holes are 1 inch apart. Step 2. Push in the adjustment button and twist the leg slightly so that the button remains depressed but visible. Step 3. Slide the leg up or down to the desired adjustment hole. Step 4. Twist the leg slightly back so that the button protrudes fully through the adjustment hole. You will hear it click into place. Repeat for each leg. Ensure the seat is level and all legs are adjusted to the same height. Adjust for comfort. It is best to discuss your situation with a professional to determine the best way to use a bath seat. Be sure to read and understand the instructions provided with your bath seat before using it.